I have this Beware sign left over from Halloween. I picked it up at the dollar store, and I started by sanding off the glitter, and then I'm going to paint the center portion with my Wise Owl white primer, and this is going to block out the wording. Now the edged black has glitter on it. I'm going to leave that alone because it's not going to really affect what I want to do. Once that dried, I had these letters. You can pick these up at the dollar store at times, and you can also find them at Hobby Lobby for a little bit more of a cost. And I'm starting by putting the letter S and the letter N on my board to start. I found these wall art stickers that were winter themed, and I'm going to put the snowflake as the O, and I'm going to put the W down. Now I'm going to take some black paint by Wise Owl, and I'm going to roll over the entire board with these items on there. I'm going to remove the S, the N, and the W. And then I'm going to take this little snowman and put her at the bottom. And then cover her in the black. I had to do it after I lifted the W because it overlaps. I'm going to go in with my primer again and just clean up my letters. Now I'm taking a little white and dry brushing my snowman. And you see it's pulling out the detail of the sticker. The snowflake came out really well with the dusting. And then once that dried, I hit it again just to really make the image pop. Now I'm doing some dry brushing throughout my project. And then I'm going to take a little gilding wax and put it on my snowflake. And just a little bit on my snowman here. Now I have this cute little snow sign for little money. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.